In this video, you will learn that how to create a spring in Blender 2.8 beta version. First, delete all default cube. To do this, click on select box and drag and select all and press delete button to delete all scene. Now click on view and switch to orthography view. Now again click on view and under viewport select front. Now click on add, under mesh select circle. Now click on view and toggle slide bar and change rotation value of X 90 degree. Now click on move, drag little bit on X axis. Now click on object, under apply select location. Now click on modifier and under modifier select screw. Change axis in Y. Now change screw value 3.5. Now change interaction value 7, 8. You can change this number as per your requirement. Okay, finally you can watch. This is spring. Thanks for watching this video.